Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve the Virtual Lab at NITK Surathkal. Position analysis of elliptical trammel. Aim of this experiment is to observe the change in motion of the elliptical trammel mechanism and trace the ellipse. In this simulation, we have animation section, variable section, control section. In animation section, we have sliders A and B, and C is the point of interest which traces the ellipse. Move the input sliders AB and AC to see the changes in the animation and the elliptical trace. Click on pause button to change the input angle theta to observe and analyze different positions of the elliptical trammel. Click on play to resume the animation. Click on rotate button to change the direction of the rotating crank. Thank you for watching the video.